Welcome to Loyal Bee.
Hello, dear. Let's know the talents I have. Let's discover our talents. I can play an instrument. I can sing. I can play baseball. I can dance. I can play badminton. I can paint. I can do gymnastics. I can bake. I can play soccer. I can play chess. I can play tennis. I can play ice hockey. How about you? Do you know what talents you have? We all have talents, and it's okay if you have not discovered yours yet. We are all unique, and our talents may develop and we may discover it in time.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Loyal Bee.